What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Alxr and today I'm back with another hydro dip. So because you guys seem to really enjoy the last hydro dip that I did on the black Air Force One, I thought why not do another on some white Air Force One. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. The colours I'm going to be using are turquoise, light blue and pink. So hopefully they should turn out looking pretty summery. Also the giveaway winner for the black and red hydro dipped Air Force Ones will be announced at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Now let's get into the video. Now they're fully taped up, all I gotta do is prime them. Now that the shoes are fully primed, they're ready to be dipped. So the colours I'm going to be using are turquoise, pink and light blue. Let's get to spraying. So this is the first design. I got the left shoe ready. I'm gonna go ahead and dip them in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see what they look like then. Oh my gosh. How fire is that, bro? They look like candy floss. That is so sick. First one done. Now let's dip the second shoe. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip the right shoe in 3, 2, 1. Whoa. So this is what they look like, completely finished in. You got like the blue and the pink. I think they turned out pretty cool at first. I thought they looked like candy floss, but now they look like water, I think. Make sure to let me know what you think of them though. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? So, the giveaway winner. So, the giveaway winner is Paddy Gallagher 1. You won the hydro dip Air Force Ones. Hopefully you like them. In the last video, I said that if we could get 10,000 likes, I would do a giveaway. And we got 10,000 likes, so I'm going to be giving away these green and pink Cheetah Air Force Ones. So to enter the giveaway, all you got to do is 3 things: subscribe with post notifications on, like this video, and follow my Instagram at Alxr, and that's it. You're entered in the giveaway, and I'll pick the giveaway winner on November 15th. Today's comment shout out goes to Elijah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, thank you for 250,000 subscribers. That is like, I don't even know, it's just so crazy. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.